topic. Well, this one's a very hot one. National Water Commission offers 30% discount to customers with outstanding bills. This is for the customers whose debt to the Water Commission is more than 90 days old. And this discount will last for a period of 3 months, beginning May 6th.
Just yesterday.
Yes, I understand the incentive idea to get people to pay. I never know you could have owe Water Commission for 3 months. That one was shocking to me. When me hear say you owe for 90 days, and I was like, people owe Water Commission for 90 days? And still have water? Maybe that's why them not collect. I bet they not do it to the other one, you know. The other one after 4 days.
That's it.
Worse now, them not have to come in your yard.
Yeah, the NWC.
After 4 days, you walk with that flashlight. Yes.
And candle and all that.
Yes.
The NWC previously had implemented a wave of measures as an essential partner in the national initiative to prevent the spread of the virus. And these include no disconnection for customers who are in arrears, no disconnection for late payments, and no late payment penalty fee.
Yeah.
So
the challenge now, which I hear a lot of well-paying customers have Water Commission, so you have to look at this, is, so me always pay and me not get nothing for always pay.
yeah, it's kind of like you don't get rewarded for doing
for your compliance.
Yeah.
So I don't know, Water Commission, if you can say, look, if you pay your bill early, you get a discount. If you're someone who pays consistently 5 bills on time, then I'll give you something. But it people kind of feel a way that they keep complying and there's nothing for them, and then people owe you for 90 days, go and get 30% discount. I understand you want to collect your money, and I understand there's a lot of delinquency out there, but you have to do something so that people who are doing good feel like I'm being rewarded.
Well, yeah, maybe the reason why people aren't able to pay, you know, their financial restraints and all that, so they're
for 3 months.
Yeah, sometimes things tight for a lot of people.
The other one, not really.
Water is life, you know. I think I can manage with water as opposed to.
It is an essential.
Yeah, water is essential.